So yesterday we seen what are the tools in the market and what is the performance testing. Okay. So which tool is very important for us? Yesterday we learned, right? So already informed in our training, I will give from the LoadRunner and JMeter. Okay.
Okay.
So LoadRunner and JMeter. So once LoadRunner is completed, I will give from the JMeter I will start. So we'll start with the LoadRunner first. Okay. So LoadRunner. What is the exactly performance testing means? We need to test the application behavior under various conditions. Load point of view, stress point of view, scalability point of view, how the application behavior is going. Means Facebook application will be there. So you need to, for example, 100 user you are executing, means 100 users at a time users will be login and doing from their transaction like launch, login and upload video, download video they are doing. So we need to test with the number of user point of view. That is very important thing from the as a performance testing point of view. Okay, so in LoadRunner is one of the tool of the performance testing tool. It is a very important tool. Nowadays, maximum companies using from the LoadRunner only. Why? Because yesterday I explained already scenario. So that is why as same to the you are good in LoadRunner, every tool will be similar. Same scripting, same execution, same end-to-end testing will be same. So that is why when you are learning, it's a LoadRunner, you should learn very clearly and practice well. And if you get job as a JMeter also, you can do it. Because the terminology and some UI part, will be changed, but everything will be same. Okay. In LoadRunner, we have the 5 components in LoadRunner. How many components? 5
Five
components. 5 components. What are there means? One is from the virtual user generator. Okay, we can shortcut, we can call it as a VUzen. We can call it as a VUzen. And second one is the controller.
Any share in screen?
You guys are unable to see? 1 minute. Let me share again.
Okay.
Let me check now. I stopped and started.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So LoadRunner, we have the 5 components. One is from the virtual user generator. We can call it as a VUser. And one more component is a controller. And one more component is the analyzer. And fourth one is the agent process. And fifth one is from the load generator. So you need to do from the end-to-end performance testing is we need from these 5 components. Using these 5 components only, okay, you need to do from the performance testing. So in virtual user generator, what is the virtual user generator? Nothing but virtual user generator, nothing but we can record the business flow and execute with the script statement point of view. We are using from the virtual user generator. Script statements, nothing but. So yesterday we seen like Facebook, what are the things we know? Launch URL. So these are the steps. Launch URL and login application. Login and after that what we can do? Okay, login, upload video. So these are all steps we need to using from the our component virtual user generator. We can record the script. 1 minute. So upload video and download video. Okay. And example logout. So this is the your scenario, Facebook application. Okay. So this is the your steps. This script you need to record the script using from the virtual user generator. So this is the virtual user generator. So using this component, we can record the script, and after you record the script, what are the steps you are there? That's steps will be recorded, and after that it will be generate the script statement. Okay, so I will show the that also. Okay, so that is the virtual user generator, means we can record the script and generate the script statement purpose we can use from the virtual user generator. Controller nothing but, so when you are record, right, only one user point of view can record this script. Yes, right? So only one user we can record. But actually performance testing means we need to execute with the multiple users. Means 100 users, 2000 users, as per your application capacity. 5 lakh users, 10 lakh also you need to execute. So where we can execute with the multiple user means, once you are done from the scripting here, that script you need to push into the controller and execute with the test. So controller nothing but just we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view called controller. Okay, once execution is completed, you need to 100 users execution is completed. Exam 100 users, you done the 100 users execution. Okay, so 100 users execution is completed. After that execution is completed, you should be analyzer is a one more component. Using from the analyzer tool, we can analyze the results to find out the issues or errors, any bottlenecks. We can call it as our performance terminology. It's a bottlenecks. Bottleneck nothing but it's a issue or error. So means controller you are executing 100 users, each and every, we can call it as each and every step, we can call it as a transaction. Launch is one transaction, login is one transaction, upload video one transaction, download video one transaction, logout is the one transaction. So each and every transaction, client is giving that, okay, Facebook application for this transaction within 2 seconds is happening or not, you need to check with the 100 users. So this is the your requirement. So your executed test is the 100 users, and you need to, when you are doing from the analyzer, using the analyzer, you should be analyze that, okay, launch URL 100 users, average time, we can call it as a response time. So response time 1.4 second you are observe, where in the analyzer tool, and the same to logins you are observe that 1.8, and upload video you are observe that some 2.2, and download video you are observe that 2.0, and logout you are observe that 1.1. So now you can observe client is given actually 2 seconds from the each and every transaction, but average response time launch is a 1.4 second, means okay, results will be good. And this is the 1.8 second within the 2 second, then this is also fine. But you can observe this is the 2.2 seconds. Client will be accept? No, right?
No.
Because client is expecting within 2 seconds, but it is a more than 2 seconds. So means this transaction response time will be client is not accept. And after that, you can observe download is a 2.0 file, 1.1. So this only one transaction you got from the high response time. High response time. So because high why we are calling means as per client requirement, you got from the very high response time. Okay. So client will not accept. Then what is our approach? So you should be analyze why this upload video 2.2 seconds happen. You should be analyze. How to you can analyze means we have the some parameters will be there. CPU memory is insufficient. Maybe that is also one of the issue. So CPU memory is good or not, you need to analyze. Like it is more than 80% is occupied when you are execute the test. Memory also it is a more than what will happen? You don't have from the sufficient CPU memory. What will happen? Obviously, when you are uploading the video, it is like browsing, it is happen. So that is why it is taking from the high response time. Maybe that is the one of the cause of the issue, CPU and memory. Memory. And going to the second point, maybe application side also it is a slowness. Application side. Because when you are try to do in the manually, means when you're doing from the manually application, when you are uploading the video also, you are observe that it is taking from the high response time. So when you are uploading from the like video in the Facebook manually, you got from the response time more than 3 seconds. So that is a application side issue. You should inform to the development team. Okay, we are observed that when I are trying to upload the video in manually also, we are getting from the response time will be more than 2 seconds. So could you please check from the your side? That is the application side. And one more is the database side. Database nothing but like when you are doing from the uploading the video, so some queries will be there. Some this upload video where it is the uploading means in the DB also some queries calling. So the queries also it is taking high response time. Because of that also your transaction response time could be high. And one more is the network issue. Network issue. So if it is a network issue happen also, your transaction response time will be high. You can observe you don't have net. Okay, you have only 2 GB already used from the 80%. But you are trying to uploading video. What will happen? This taking high time, right? So that is also network issue. So you should be analyze what is the cause of it is a CPU issue or it is memory or it is application side, otherwise it's a database side, otherwise it's a network issue. We have other parameters also will be there. So we'll discuss from the when you are coming to the analyzer point of view, we can analyze. So that is the analyzer. So just you should be analyze the each and every transaction average response time as per client expectation we got or not. If you got, then results will be good. Then you should be directly send this report to the client. Okay, we are executed 100 users. All transactions will be within 2 seconds. Please find the below results. You should be attached this. Then your job will be done. If it is a more than 2 seconds only, then you should be find this issue and you should be particular team. CPU memory means infrastructure team. You should inform to them. Okay, I am executing with the 100 users. So current CPU and memory utilization not sufficient. Could you please increase from the CPU memory? Maybe it's a 4 GB, 4 GB will be there. They will increase from the 8 GB, 8 GB. Again, you can do from the one more execution with the 100 users. After that, you are observed that response time could be 1.2. So that is the analyzer. So next one is the agent process. Agent process nothing but it is a interface between controller and load generator. So this is the just interface, like it's an agent through the controller and load generator. That is the agent process. And load generator nothing but it will be generate the load against to the application. So for example, you are executing 100 users. So you need from the one machine. In this machine, we need to configure from the CPU memory and what is the tool you are using. That tool also you should be install in that load generator. So these all things will be there. So that is why what is the load generator means it will be generate the load against to the application. So these are the 5 components in LoadRunner. So everyone is clear or anyone have any doubt?
Clear.
Yeah,
Clear?
fine.
Yeah, thank you. So now we'll jump to the practical part. Just to today, what we can do means I will show the once we can install the software, what are the components we can see in our system, and after that we'll open this virtual user generator and just we can record on some simple script and we'll close from the today class. Okay, so let's go to the so LoadRunner software. Once we can install the LoadRunner software, we are able to see this is the virtual user generator. Everyone able to see virtual user generator. This is the controller. This is the analysis. So these 3 components only we can see the in front end, and agent process and load generator will be in the controller we can see. Okay. So now I will open the virtual user generator. Just you can install this software. You are able to see these 3. Now you can open this. So you can observe virtual user generator. This is the version is the 2020. So we have the many versions will be there. Like previous will be we have the 9.5, 9.0 and 11.0, 11.52, 12.0, 12.60. Okay. After that, they are given from the 2020, 2021, 2023 also. So currently it is running. Okay. Once open the virtual user generator, it will be look like this. So here is a what's new, nothing but like every release to release, they will be add from the some new features that will be here we can see. And you can observe here, we have the plus button. You can click on here. You can see the add new script. So you want to do from the new scripting, you can click on the add new script button. Okay. After that, we can see here, we are creating new script protocol. Protocol, nothing but it is a communication between the client and server. So based on from the your application developed from the which software, which programming language. It is a SAP means you need select from the SAP protocol. It is some RDP protocol. It is any Oracle. So based on from the which protocol you need select that protocol here. Okay, most of the projects will be web based only. We can see because we can observe. So mostly software point of view, we have the banking applications, insurance application, healthcare applications, e-commerce applications. So mostly everywhere will be projects only, this only. These all will be web-based only. It is developed from the .NET or Java, whatever maybe, all will be web-based application only. So if you are doing from this kind of any web-based application, we need to select from the protocol web HTTP HTML protocol. You need to select this. So you can observe, just you can click this. This is the select. And after that, it is asking from the script name. So you need to give from the script name. Okay. which application you are doing, you need to give from the that script name. Okay. For example, which application we can do means, yeah, we have the Pestor application will be there, right? So before record this Pestor application, just I will give from the what are the steps we can record. That is important. Why? Because when you are start recording, you are okay. I forget from the password. Okay, I come to the back. So this will be not good for us. Okay, so that is why what you can do means before you are doing from the recording the script, you should first understand the application. Okay, now we are doing from the test store. What are the steps you need to perform? You should be very well known. So you can observe this is the launch application. So we are launch the application, and after that login, click on login and give from the username password. So see, I login is done. So you can observe also, see login is done. And after that, what is the pet store application means you need to book the any one of the pet. So I want fish means you can click on the fish and select from the products. In the fish, we have the different type of products will be there. Like you want from the what is the you want different fish. I want from this product, then you can select. Here also we have the different will be there. Just you can, if you want to add to cart, you can add the cart. And after that, you are added from the cart one quantity. If you want more also, we can add from the two quantity. And after that, click on proceed to checkout. And after that, you need to give from the payment details. So then only your pet will be booked and it is delivered. This is the payment details, like it is a card type, it is a Visa or Master. You need to select from the here. And you need to enter from the credit card number and expiry date and billing address. Where you want to actually for this fish will be delivered. Deliver address you need to provide. And after that, continue. Okay, so you can observe, please confirm from the details, like what are the details you are given, that detail you should be confirmed. Click on confirm. And see, you can observe, thank you, your order been submitted. So you can go here, you can observe your order is done. Then sign out. So what are the steps we performed here? We need to record scripting using from the our tool. Okay, now go to the our tool. This is the tool. And now we are doing from the what application? Pet store application. Script name also we need to give from the proper pet store application. In that, what you are doing? Pet booking you are doing. You can give from the pet booking. And release date. For example, I am doing from the scripting today. You can give from the 19/06/2024. So script name also we need to give from the properly, like application name, which scenario you are doing, and what is the date. So after that, click on create button. Okay. So it is the opening from the our virtual user generator. See, once okay on open virtual user generator, it will be look like this. Now, what we can do, we can record the script. Just click from the this record button. And after that, you are doing from the web application, you can select web. You are doing from the Windows, you can select Windows. So now I am doing from the web on the so application, nothing but so which browser you want. You want Chrome or Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. You can select. I want from the Chrome only, I selected. And this is the URL. Which application you are testing, you need to give from that URL here. For example, now I am doing from the Pet Store application. That is why given from the Pet Store. Maybe you are doing from the banking application. You need to provide this is the URL banking application. So like which application we are testing, we need to give from that URL. And after that, just start record button. So before that, we have some recording options will be there. Just we need check from the prerequisites. Click from the recording options. Here we can check from the, actually in the recording, first we need to check the HTML based in that advanced. So here, second one, first one will be every time is a blind, second and first. I will explain each and everything. Okay, no worry. Okay, and we can, okay, everything is fine. Then you can close this. Now click from the start record button. Click on OK. Now what will happen? Which URL you are given, that URL automatically our browser will be open. So you can observe our tool itself, it is open the browser. See, you can observe recording events and you can observe, okay, it's a browser will be open. Wait for a few minutes. Okay. Which browser you are given, right? That browser automatically it will open. See, browser is opening. So you can observe also events will be recording means your application is recording means it is the events will be increased. See, this is the URL. Which URL you are given in the application, like in our tool, that URL automatically it is opening. Okay, means launching your application. So automatically our tool it is opening. I am not opening anything manually. You can observe. So it is loading. So means, see, you can observe launch is done. After launch, what we can do? Login. Already we know, right, steps. So you need to give from the username, password, J2W, and click on login button. So what are the steps I did in manually? I'm doing from the using our tool we are recording. And after that, click from the fish button. And click from the any one of the pet. And add to cart. And proceed to checkout. And check from the details. So everything is fine. Click on continue. See, please confirm from the details like payment details along with the your shipping address details. Click on confirm. See, thank you, your order is been submitted. After that, you can sign out also one of the transaction. So actually your scenario will be pet booking. So up to pet booking is done, then we have click the sign out button. So recording is completed. Our scenario, what is our scenario? Up to that I recorded. And after that we have the stop record button will be there. You need to click from the stop record button. So once you can stop recording button, automatically the code will be generated. Our tool will be automatically the code will be generated. No need to write from the manually anything, zero code also. Automatically our tool itself, it will generate the script statements. See here, it is loading. Yeah, done. If you go here, so now click from the actions because everything we are recording the action. Now you can observe. So it is recorded everything. You can observe end to end, it is recorded. So you can observe this is the sign out one. We can see by seeing also, we can know that very easy language. This is not any coding, any scripting. Script language, nothing but C, Java, no. Just simple language. You can observe web URL sign out. Means, okay, this code is recorded from the sign out code. And starting will go. And you can see web URL, action account. This is the launch URL. This is the launch URL. See, after that, you did from the login details. You can observe you are given from the username, J2W, password you are given, J2W, and this is the login recorded. And after that, what you did, you are selected from the some pet. See, this is the pet you are selected, fish. See, you can observe fish. And after that, you are selected in the fish, you are selected some different product. This is the product. And after that, you done the click on the add to cart. So add to cart code is recorded. And after that, you are click the proceed checkout button. See, proceed checkout button. And after that, you are click the order confirmation details. Like you are enter the card type, credit card, expiry date, billing address, and what are the details you are enter there. Everything is recorded here. And after that, what you did, you are confirm the details. Above details, you are confirmed. And final will be sign out. So what are the steps you are performed in the front end? Everything is recorded. Yes, right?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes,
So-
yes.
So this is the scripting. So you should be record from the scripting like this. Okay. After scripting, what we can do, we'll discuss, okay, one by one. Tomorrow class, we'll discuss this script we can push in controller and we can execute. I will show from the end-to-end testing from this 3 days. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts? You have any doubts?
How to install Vision?
Yeah, I will share software. You can send your okay mail IDs. Okay, I will share. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Everyone.